My name is Rick. I was injured at work. I'm a chiropractor, and I separated my labrum in my shoulder and my bicipital tendon. I was with Dr. Taub. He was doing an NCV. It's one of the doctors I was seeing, and the insurance company and the doctors were communicating, and it was looking like they were not going to cover my shoulder, just my neck. And he said, you probably need to seek out an attorney because the problem is not in your neck, it's in your shoulder. And the workman's comp insurance company, Travelers Insurance, that my employer used was not cooperative. One of my doctors recommended him. Well, actually, my doctor recommended a couple attorneys, and I did a little research and legwork, and found Mr. Sanchez. Well, Juan has a great team. He has Robbie and Jacqueline and the beautiful girl at the front. I can't remember her name, but the whole team was just great from start to finish. Juan was great, and Robbie stands out in particular. He answered my calls if Juan couldn't get to me on the weekend. But yeah, they were fantastic all the way across the board. Well, I made a huge mistake, and I talked to the insurance company the day my company had their insurance company, Travelers, call me, and I did a phone interview, and they trick you and lead you into saying things that are going to help their case down the road. So they're going to record the phone call. They know they're going to try to manipulate you, and they did manipulate me. And the first thing you should do is call an attorney. And I recommend you call Mr. Sanchez and his team, because that would have saved me a lot of time and a lot of grief and a lot of stress. It was a big mistake not to call first. So I'll leave it at that. No, other than the fact that if you're injured at work, do not take the phone call. You call your employer, or you email your employer, so there's a paper trail letting them know what happened. And then when they have their insurance company call you before you do that interview, and they say this call is going to be recorded, is that okay? You call Mr. Sanchez first and save yourself a lot of headache and heartache and money. Because most companies don't really care about you, even though they pretend like they do. They're full of, you know what, like a Christmas turkey. I just want to thank Mr. Sanchez and his entire staff, especially Robbie. They were available to me at any time. They got back to me quickly. They made this easy and smooth, and I wish I would have called them right out of the gate. I want to thank all of them.
Visit attorneyjuansanchez.com or call 704-377-9222 today.